How to redeem codes in T3 Arena. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how you can redeem codes in T3 Arena. Redeeming codes in T3 Arena is a great way to snag free T-coins, rumble boxes, and exclusive skins to help you level up your favorite heroes. First of all, launch open T3 Arena game on your device and log in. Once you're logged into your main account, from the lobby screen, go to the upper right corner and look for the 3 horizontal menu button. Tap on that and in the expanded menu, click Options. Once you're inside the Options menu, go to the left-hand side and tap Account. Under Account Info, look for Redeem Code and click on it. Now in the text box appearing on the screen, carefully type in or paste in your active code or your seasonal code. After typing it down correctly, click on the Confirm button. If the code is valid, your rewards won't always pop up immediately. Go back to the main lobby and open up your in-game mailbox and tap the Claim button to add the items to your inventory. Go back to the lobby screen and you will then be able to redeem your codes in T3 Arena. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.